Hi, this is our TEP-3 machine. I will be performing some instructional videos on how to use the machine. We have the machine with a bottom die adapter along with a top die adapter. See? You loosen your Allen screw, it comes off. And the reason for this is because we have different variances and sizes of dies. So I'll show you that in the near future. Now, I'm going to be performing a sheet metal grommet installation. You have your hole piercing die that you need to screw in. Okay? We want to hold it so it doesn't ruin your threads. So you want to hold it straight before you get it caught onto the threads. We have our cutting board. Here's our material. Place it there. Make your hole. Here's another one. Place it there. Make your holes. Go ahead with the holes. Get your holes out of the way. Then I will be removing my hole piercing die. Installing our setting dies. You put your adapter in first. It's got a little hole over here on the side. You tighten it to hold it in place, but it's recommended you put your die in first and then you tighten it. Okay? Your top die goes on the top. Again, we hold it straight before we start screwing it in so we don't ruin our threads. There you go. Here's our grommet. The grommet goes on the top. Our washer with the inversion facing up goes on the bottom die. Place it here. There goes your installation. I'll be performing a couple more to show you that this will accommodate your teeth washers as well. Put your teeth washer on the bottom. Your grommet again goes on the top. Material. There we go. Now,